Fella, move over.
Rachel, tell him your name. Say, I'm Rachel.
She did. She said, meet Rachel.
Oh, okay. Laura, did you tell him your name? Go say hi to your friends.
Hi, friends.
What's your name? Tell him your name.
Rachel.
Say, what's your name?
Rachel.
Ask them their name.
Princess.
Princess?
Yeah. Me, princess.
And what's his name?
Boy.
Boy?
Boy.
Okay.
Oh, that got Laura's attention. He's a boy? Nah, easy. You're going to break that. Don't.
Gentle,
No,
gentle.
No. I think it's been broken once already.
Girls, sit with your friends. Sit down. Sit down with your friends. Laura, go sit with your friends. Yo, did you kiss them bye? Kiss your friends bye. Say bye-bye, friends.